Hi guys, this is May 2019 Paper 1 Standard Level for the IB course. Stone is thrown downward from the edge of a cliff with a speed 5 meters per second. It hits the ground 2 seconds later. What is the height of the cliff? Keywords: downward, speed 5 meters per second, -1, time taken which is 2 seconds, and the height. To answer the question and to find out the heights of the cliff using one of the equations of motion, h equals ut plus half ag squared. H equals 5 times 2 plus bracket half times a 10 for the free falling acceleration due to gravity times a 2. 5 times 2, which is 10, plus half times 10 times 2 squared, which is 20. So h equals 10 plus 20. So finally, h is 30 meters, and the correct answer is B.